Marhaba, is me George. Yes, I started to tell one word. Okay, Marhaba is hello, as we studied yesterday, and Ismi is my name is, and Marhaba is me George. My name is George. So we are starting the day 3. So I have written some words like how are you? How to say how are you in Arabic? That is Kaifa Haluk. And if it is like a lady, then Kaifa Haluki. Kaifa, how? So, Kaifa Haluki. How are you? Kaifa Haluka. That is for men. Oh, I forgot to tell. Marhaba Habibi is me, George. Habibi is my friend. Hello, my friend is me, George. So, how are you? How to say? Kaifa Haluka Haifa Haluki. Haluki is for ladies. Then for that we have to respond to them. I am fine, thank you. I am fine is Ana Biher Shukran. That is thank you. I am fine, thank you. Ana Biher, thank you. Ana Biher Shukran. Ana Biher Shukran. So Marhaba Habibi is me George. Then how are you? Kaifa Haluk? I am fine. Ana Biher Shukran. Yes. Then you are welcome. That is Afan. You are welcome is Afan. Afan. You are welcome is Afan. And where? To say where, it is Aina. Where? Where is Aina? Where is Aina? Aina. Where is Aina? And stop. Stop is Kalas. It's Kalas. So Kalas is not a Hindi word. I was thinking Kalas is an Hindi word. So Kalas is stop. Kalas. Then today, Aliyom. It's a YOWM. But Aliyom. It's not Om. Aliyom. Today is Aliyom. Tomorrow is Gadan. Tomorrow is Gadan. And yesterday is Ams or Amsi. So today is Aliyom. Tomorrow is Gadan. And yesterday is Amsi or Ams. So the words we studied today is how are you? That is how, Kaifa Haluk or Kaifa Haluki. That is how are you? Then how to respond to that? I am fine. I am fine is Aina Biher Shukran. That is thank you. Yes. Then the next word studied is Afan. Afan what? Afan was what? Afan was you are welcome. Afan was Afan. You are welcome. Afan. You are welcome. Afan. Then where? Where is Aina? Where is Aina? Where? Aina Kitab. Where is the book? Aina. Kitab is book. Book. Aina Kitab. Aina. Then stop. Stop is Kalas. Stop. Then today, tomorrow, and yesterday. Today is Aliyom. Tomorrow is Al Gadan. No. Tomorrow is Gadan. Tomorrow is Gadan. And yesterday is Ams or Amsi. And one more word we studied, right? You are welcome. What was that word? You are welcome. I didn't study it. What is this, George? Excuse me. The other word we studied is excuse me. That is Lo Samat. You are welcome is Lo Samat. And we will just read the day 1 also. Day 1 we studied what? I am sorry. That is Ana Asif. And if it is a lady, it is Ana Asifa. Then no and yes. No is La. Yes is Nam. Then Shukran is thank you. And Marhaba is hello. Then please min fadlik. Please is min fadlik. Then good morning, good afternoon, and good night. That is Subahu al Khair, that is good morning. Then Masau Al-Kir, that is good evening or good afternoon. And this good night is Laila Saidi. And day 2 we studied Ana, that is I. Ana. Orido, that is want. I want. Ana Orido. Then learn we studied is learn is talam, to learn, talam, al talama. Then you, anda, and you, enda, if it is a female it is endi. Then hua is he is she, hua is he is she. Then nahunu, that is we, nahunu. Then what we studied is what is, we can say two types, that is ma and shu, ma or shu. Then bye, masalama. Okay is tamam. And hi is hala. Hi is hala. Aiva is yes, informal way of saying yes. 2 words, nam and nam and aiva. And sane is fine. Sane is calm is how much. Wala, really, wala. Yalla, let's go. So guys, let's see on the 4th day how to say bye. Masalama.